Your career may have felt like a race at times, but you're about to taste the sweet victory of retirement. Unfortunately, no great victory comes without obstacles. For you, these obstacles might sound like, where should my assets go after my lifetime? Or, what do I do long-term with my real estate? Luckily, we have navigated these roads before and can help you with charitable giving methods that best fit your unique goals. For example, you can easily leave a gift in your will, known as a bequest, to support your favorite nonprofits. Plus, after you're gone, your chosen charities receive the money tax-free, and you can feel good knowing your legacy will have a lasting impact. As for the real estate headache, find some relief by gifting your property to a nonprofit through a charitable remainder trust. This way, you invest in something truly meaningful and in return, earn annual income for your retirement. The Texas A&M Foundation can assist you in identifying giving methods like these to help you cruise retirement road and create a brighter future for Texas A&M University. Start by exploring our free resource, Aggieland's Ultimate Estate Planning Kit, to discover the methods best fit for you.